So today I make video about Android player. So I will show you all this Android player settings, options, so and features. So you can see here mic, reset, power, home, back, yeah, volume increase and volume down. So you can see wallpaper here. So interface like this, so you can change anytime if you want. So now you see here Bluetooth, if Wi-Fi connection, so Wi-Fi also show here. So date and time like this, and then I show you. So this option navigator, radio, application, video and Bluetooth already I make video, so you can see my channel. So now I show you another option. So application, this one application. So here I have Bluetooth there D, sorry, starting from here: music, video, calculator, calendar, Chrome, radio, gallery, recording and Play Store, aux, and then Bluetooth, DAB, CPU, fan, map, YouTube, here we go, file, Netflix, download, and then you see ways, DS equalizer, car setting, theme, car set, or Z-Link 5. So yeah, all option, this one you can change theme if you want change. So I have many themes here, so which one you like, I choose this one. So I choose this. If you want another one, so theme option I already show, I have many, so you can see here. So here you already know this one, fan. If you want off, you can off, on, yeah, off and on. So fan off on here, and then you go back. So I show you some important things. This one setting, main is a setting. You can see here, this one device port, जो wiring है, wiring inside car and Android player. So you can read it here, you can see this one mic or reverse, this one how to wiring inside है. And then you see B option here, you can read here, reverse. You tap C, you can see and read and learn. D option like this, 4 pin, this one for USB, this one also USB but fast charging one, E, and this port for, you can see here, ground and all wire how to use, you can see here. So after that I go system information, you can see here this one, Android OS 14.0, car audio F10. After that DDR hard, this one RAM 6 GB, flash 64 GB. This one display showing here MC 1.8, so can Pro V9.10.0. so this one I show you the factory reset. So factory reset, if you already changed so password, so you give here a manual, give 4 times 000, so okay, and then this one automatically factory reset, this one. And car setting here, Android setting, this one you can see, internet application display, this one display, you can change wallpaper size, color, brightness like this. So sound here, storage, security, location, user account, and then you come accessibility, Google, this one system important. This one language, you can change language, I already make a video about how to change language. Gesture, this one gesture, date and time, you can see here, and set, backup, reset option, about car, you can see here. So this one you can see, this one date or time you can change. So this one all system here, language, you can change language. So I use English, if you want some more, so you can tab again here, English, add language here. So here I have many languages. So and then you see volume setting, you can see media one off on, this one call one, mixing radio, this one you can high and low, you can do this one default media 30 like this one media one you can, and then brightness you can increase decrease depend on a tab here. Now decrease, now increase full. If you see your screen like little hot, so you can decrease at night, and day you can full bright, you cannot see your screen, so day better dim. Driving problem like this, so day better this one backlight, if you see very hot this one, so backlight you little down, this one full, yeah, backlight, so this one no very hot. Then you see navigator here you have three options of navigator, so you choose which one you want. So and GPS detection like this you can see here, and steering learn this one, but my steering don't have any option, don't have any here button, because this one old model. Latest car have this all option, so you can. And then logo setting, yes, this one logo setting, or you tab here, you see all car logo here. My Hyundai, so I select Hyundai one. So which logo do you want? You can Kia like this. So Skoda, my Hyundai, and then you go back, so you can change logo. Other setting, float bar off, handbrake, you can see handbrake like this, so can show you your display. Reverse setting you can, but you can also select float, so you can see GPS like this setting, and then back. So I already show you important things. So if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.